Hi everyone, welcome to SENFENG Industrial Park. This is Araceli, and I'll take you to experience SENFENG Factory online. Founded in 2004, SENFENG Laser is a global metal forming automation enterprise, aiming to provide global users with metal forming automation solutions. SENFENG Laser has a professional R&D center and a sophisticated R&D team to realize the production and development of core components, such as high-power fab laser source and fab laser cutting head, and has achieved nearly 500 technical patents. SENFENG has won several honors for its brand influence and has the titles of Specialized and New Little Giant Enterprise at the national level, National Industrial Design Center, etc. In our equipment display area, we'll show you the most popular models in an all-around way. Here we have SENFENG latest laser processing technology and professional technical engineers, always ready for your visit or proofing. The upgraded technology and the solution of process problems have optimized the production for SENFENG users and improved the economic benefits of the enterprise. Now come with me to the whole industrial chain and production base of SENFENG. The 16,000 square meter production supporting workshop and two 20,000 square meter assembly workshops cover a variety of laser applications, including laser cutting equipment, laser welding equipment, laser cladding equipment, laser cleaning equipment, bending center, and laser processing flexible production line. These laser applications meet the development needs of low carbon and environmental protection in the global manufacturing industry with green metal forming solutions, help global enterprises reduce consumption and cost, achieve green production, and change human life with green intelligent manufacturing. SENFENG Laser is looking forward to your arrival. At the same time, we provide online tours and you can enjoy customized services by making an appointment.